Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to make your iPhone speakers louder. It's pretty simple, let's get started. The first way is to use volume up and down buttons. If you think the sound could be louder, then open the settings. Next select sounds and haptics. Here you can increase ringer volume. Here you can change ringer with buttons. Next you can change headphone audio volume. To do this, open the headphone safety and check that you have the maximum volume, about 100 decibels, as loud as an ambulance siren, or you can turn off the reduce loud sounds option to have the maximum audio. If you are still unhappy with your sound, go back to the settings, swipe down and find music section. Tap on music item. In audio section, select cellular streaming and select high quality. After that, tap on equalizer and you can select loudness equalizer or late night equalizer for better sound. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck. See you next time.